Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Performance 2-in-1 car creeper and stool from Parkside. Adjustable in just a few steps, with 6 swivel casters, 2 with brakes, cushioned surface, max 150 kg load capacity as creeper and 120 kg as stool. 14% larger lying surface, 16% thicker upholstery, with batteries and 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. So many accessories in the box. I just love to assemble tools. Not really. It takes longer to make the video. We have the manual. Four caster wheels, 360 degrees rotation. Hard plastic, is not soft. It is very durable, I can say. And we have another 2 caster with brakes. Off, it rotates, and on, very hard to rotate, 360 degrees rotation. 2 wrench keys, 1 Allen, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That is all the screws. 1 metal storage tray. Magnetic, I like that. Nice. Another storage tray, plastic, you can remove that. Very convenient. Take the storage, fill whatever you want, and place it again back. 2 screws. You can mount it at the main bracket, I will show you. And of course we have this LED light with magnetic plate holder. There's the magnet. Or you can screw that here at the frame. And of course at the front we have a light. You can remove the light. Magnetic at the front. 3 LEDs I can see. And inside we have the batteries. Remove this cover to enable the batteries. A small light, it will help to see better wherever you want. And of course it is adjustable. Find the right position wherever you want. I just realized the magnet has broke. Okay. Low quality magnet. Unbelievable. Manufacturers from Parkside, they need to have a better quality control for every part. So we have 3 different parts, Parkside. It's not very soft, but I like that. Okay, here I need to install the 2 wheels. Use these keys for tightening the wheels. Perfect, and another one here. Nice. We have this storage tray holder, adjustable. Press this button here. Very difficult to press the button, so I will use one of these keys. Okay. Come on now, you can do it. Unbelievable, guys. And it locks. There is this little button. Same in here. Adjust it. You can open and close. Two different lengths. And I need to install here and the other 4 wheels. With a brake, it will go at the back here, and the other 2 here. And I need these 4 screws. One goes here. Use the Allen key. Same in here. And with a stop here at the back. Nice. Locks. So I think it should not be moving. Yes, it's not moving. I mean, it's not moving the wheels here. Okay, maybe with more weight it will stay more secure. Okay, we will see. And then we have in this middle frame, we have in this pin here for releasing, and that it will go here at this hole. Okay, and I need these huge screws. One here and another one here. Don't over tight it. It has a safety nut. Just pull that and you can release. It locks here. Pull again and unlock. And of course we have in the last one I need to install that here. Again, 2 screws. Later I will use my tools and tie the screws. Okay. So there you have it. With one pull of this, it can go at this position. Later I will show you, you will have a better view. Pull again this lever. And you can install wherever you want this storage. Unscrew. It is plastic. It can go here. Tied it very well with these two nuts. And at the other side you can install this tray, remove this screw here. That was all. And you can install that here. Nice. Perfect. And last, we have the light. You can have the light here with magnet, but the magnet is not so strong. It can hold the light very well. So you can attach it with this screw. Now you're good. On-off switch. Honestly, for a tool that offers so much convenience, the car creeper and stool is a fantastic addition to any garage or workshop. Its simple conversion and solid build make it incredibly practical, whether you are working under a vehicle or just need a comfortable mobile seat for detailed work. It's an excellent example of a smart, multifunctional design that's a perfect fit for any DIY enthusiast. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you own the Parkside car creeper and stool? Or do you prefer a dedicated creeper and stool? What are your most essential pieces of furniture or equipment in your own garage or workshop setup? Share all your thoughts, tips and questions down below in the comment section. I love hearing what makes your workspace tick. If you found this review helpful, insightful, or just enjoy seeing smart garage gear in action, please give this video a big thumbs up. It genuinely supports the channel and helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tool reviews, DIY projects, and workshop tips. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other garage organization and tool reviews right here. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Keep those projects moving, and I'll catch you in the next video.